Kenya has failed to make its mark at the football arena in the global stage, in contrast to rugby and athletics, which the country has soared high throughout the years. Despite countless efforts by different stakeholders to uplift the sport, the results have increasingly been disappointing. It is for this simple reason that our very own Sam Metiaki sought to get to the root of the matter by visiting an up-and-coming Kiwanja Soccer Academy and crafted the following report.
Kenya continues to struggle in making progress in football over the years, with fans and stakeholders alike citing a myriad of challenges afflicting the sector. The football fraternity has been reeling with dismal results, with a myriad of issues to blame, among them a lack of proper management, shortage of adequate funds, and corruption derailing football development across the country. It is for this simple reason that Derek Ogonda decided to take the mantle of shaping young professional footballers with the aim of changing the narrative.
Tulianza 2016 hadi sasa tunaendelea tu.
Kiwanja Soccer Academy, which started in the year 2016, has stepped up the development and training programs for children aspiring to be professional football players in future. The academy harbors children under the age of 5, under 7, under 9, under 11, under 13, under 15, under 17, and the ladies team. The academy is based in Kiwanja area, with the Kiwanja community grounds being their home training pitch, as well as their home ground for hosting their home matches. Speaking to KUTV exclusively, the head coach Derek Ogonda, a lawyer by profession, highlighted the ups and downs of running the academy and the tricks he deploys to successfully train the young aspiring footballers who have to juggle between schoolwork and football during the weekdays when the schools are open, and balance the same with their home chores on holidays.
For now hatuna, but tuna hope in future tutapata. Sasa hii ni wazazi wenyewe wanajitolea. Sometimes tukihitaji kitu kama ball, tunachanga kama team, tuna buy ball moja. Tukihitaji hizi training facilities, ni wazazi wenyewe wanajitolea. So for now hatuna sponsorship, but tuna hope in future labda mtu atajitokeza asaidia vijana.
The community-based academy offers kids across the surrounding communities an opportunity to train as well as boost their educational journeys, with several of them obtaining scholarships to study in advanced educational centers and talent development centers across the country, and abroad, relieving their parents of the burden to pay for their educational expenses. The academy also plays a critical role in keeping the future soccer players away from the dangerous streets marred by drug abuse and other community vices.
For the 8 years, tumekuwa tunaona change, kwa especially in terms of security. Kwa hii mtaa imekuwa mbaya sana when it comes to security. So ukiangalia pale kuna vijana kwa around 17-16 years. Kama wangekuwa hapa saa hii, hatujui wangekuwa wapi. So inajaribu ku create environment nzuri ya wao kukuja kutrain. Wasichana ndio wale wakubwa high schoolers. At this moment hatujui wangekuwa wapi, but kwa sababu wanaamka asubuhi wanakuja hapa, at the end of the day wanatoka hapa wamechoka, wanarudi kulala. Pia mchango mwingine ni in terms of the education. Wengi wao wana balance hizi sports na education, zingine zinawasaidia hata huko kuwalipia fees. Kama venye nilianza na kusema, all our ladies wako under scholarship. So unakuta mzazi ameondolewa hiyo gharama. Then in fight against drug abuse, unaona wengi wao wako hapa, hawa wangekuwa huko nje labda wangekuwa wanatumia hizo drugs, but sasa hivi wako hapa, tunajaribu kuwa shape kidogo. Ikifika Sunday tunaenda church pamoja, inakuwa rahisi pia ku develop community kama hii.
Derek Ogonda informs us that Kiwanja Soccer Academy has so far produced 2 male players who currently play in the National Super League at Division 1 level, while all the girls in the academy have been lucky enough to obtain educational scholarships in their respective schools. Speaking on behalf of the girls team, head coach Diana Barasa, herself a senior footballer, disclosed that the academy has greatly helped the girls stay away from unwanted vices such as early pregnancies and substance abuse, noting that the team has been performing excellently, with the icing of the cake being crowned Kiambu County Chapadimba tournament champions early this year.
Kiwanja Soccer Academy kianza, initially ilikuwa ya wavulana peke yao, but time ya COVID tuliona wasichana wengi wako idle, kulikuwa na cases nyingi za pregnancy na kutumia drugs. So tukakaa chini na coach tukasema juu tuko na wavulana tumewakeep busy, tunaona wana avoid kutumia drugs na kila kitu, tunaweza kusanya wasichana wa mtaa wenye wako idol pia tuwa incorporate kwa academy yetu. So tukaanza academy, wasichana waliingia academy 2020.
The coach explains the complexities of training the girls team, highlighting their sensitivities, taking into account the psychological factors which she manages well, propelling the girls team to a myriad of achievements in their short stint of operation.
Kwa sahii wanacheza ligi, pia wasichana kutoka 2020 paka sahii kuna milestones mingi wamepiga. So far tulikuwa champions wa Kiambu Chapadimba, wameenda paka regionals, walicheza hadi semis.
Kiwanja Soccer Academy is now appealing to the government through the Ministry of Sports and stakeholders alike to chip in and support local football academies to improve overall football standards across the country.
Mimi kama coach kitu naangalia ni labda government inafaa ipe grassroots coaches more support in terms of hata kama ni facilities wanatu provide, kwa sababu as you can see hatuna sponsorship, but kama government ingekuwa inakuja huku mtaani ina contribute development ya hawa, inawapea facilities, pia sheria zenye ziko in place zikuwe able kusupport growth ya academies kama hizi za mtaa. Isikuwe for example ukitaka kuregister academy kama hii unaambia unatoa 10,000 per month ama sijui per year. Hizo payments zenye wana request ku register academy kama hizi zinafaa zitolewe, kwa sababu most hatuko sponsored. Then to hiyo support hiyo ndio itakuwa muhimu.
For KUTV, I'm Sam Metiaki.